I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 137. Today, we're talking about being a qualified and ready buyer. This is part 2 in a 2-part series. Number 1, loan prep. Has your loan prep been completed? We need a pre-qualification letter before we can even begin shopping. It lets us know the price range that you're ready for, and it indicates to all potential sellers that you are serious and ready. The policy for my personal business is that without a pre-qualification letter, we aren't even ready to go look at houses yet. Number 2, do you have money for closing costs? In our market, we see a lot of concessions. If you're not sure what that means, go back and look at the previous episode. But basically, it's when the seller is giving back to the buyer just a little bit of money. It's common and it's come to be expected, but it's not required or necessary. A $200,000 offer with $10,000 in closing cost assistance looks suspiciously like a $190,000 offer to the seller. It's better to have that money in your pocket to use for your down payment and closing costs than to ask the seller. Makes your offer look way more competitive. Number 3, do you have money for inspections? We need to know what condition the house is really in with those inspections. You don't want to purchase a home and later discover it's fraught with issues you didn't even know about. I had a client who discovered at inspections the house they were buying didn't even have a functional septic system. Number 4, do you have money or room in your budget for repairs after closing? You don't want to be house poor, so don't get caught up in the fever of house buying until you're ready. Let your home be a blessing to you and not a curse. I assure you, if you don't have wiggle room in your repair for budgets, Murphy is going to move into one of the spare bedrooms and wreak havoc in your life. If you like these videos, you can check out my past episodes over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, and of course, I'm on most popular social media sites. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.